YouTube. It looks like got a new bike for the 2021 riding season. I don't know if you could tell what it is, but might be able to. Thank you. And I end up trading the Sporty in. Should have layered up a whole lot better. I was kind of excited, wanted to get out here and ride this bike. See what I've been missing. See if I can pull over and somewhere. Let you guys check this baby out, man. I decided to go with the crimson red just because I figured if I'm getting a new bike, I might as well get a new color. Why am I getting the same color as last year? Why am I getting the same thing? No, everyone has last year. Everywhere I see Lowrider S, black, all black, which is it's a beautiful bike. It's still a beautiful bike, but for me, I saw this crimson color here. I fell in love with it. And this kickstand is a whole lot different than my Sporty too, man. All right, now that I'm off of there, that wind, man, it's a cold one here in Maryland today. Cold one, but I was super excited. I had to get out and ride. The Sporty is gone, guys. The Sporty is gone. I have upgraded to 2021 Lowrider S, crimson red, and so far I'm happy as hell, excited as hell. Man, this color is so much better in person. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't really feeling this color when I first saw it announced on the pictures and everything. And when I got into the dealership and I saw this thing in person, man, it's beautiful. You got these like flakes in here that really pop in the sun. It's nice, man, and it really goes with like that bronze copper color of the wheels and the lettering on the tank, accents and stuff. It's beautiful. So I wasn't planning on upgrading, to be honest with you guys. I went to this they had this event, the tent event, or I forget what they're calling it. I'm sure there's a name for it, but they had an event where you could ride all the 2021 bikes. And you know, I rode my Sporty up there and said, let me try these bikes out. I'm just, you know, I was off that day. It was warm outside. I said, I'm gonna try these bikes out. I went up there, I hopped on this thing, and I don't know, man, it just spoke to me, and I was like, man, I really want this bike. I initially decided if I was gonna upgrade, I was gonna get the Sport Glide, just because it's different. Not a lot of people have it, and I really like the styling of it, the wheels on it, the bags and stuff, especially now that they're color matching the bags and stuff on there. I decided I was going to take a couple longer trips this year during the riding season. So I said, man, I'm going to get that Sport Glide if I do upgrade. If I decided to upgrade, which I really, honestly, I wasn't leaning towards it. When I rode this bike, I don't know, it was nice, man. Like the suspension is so much better than the Sporty. The torque is a lot more there, and that's nothing against the Sporty. I love that Iron 1200 that I had, man. I put a lot of work into that thing, and I really enjoyed it. So I said, I went to the dealership where I bought the Sporty, and I talked to the guys there over at Baltimore Harley, and they worked out, man, a sweet deal, sweet deal. Let's just say, because I don't know what they will work out for anybody else, but let's just say that it was a great deal, and it was a deal that I could not refuse. And if I would have refused it, I probably would have been, for lack of a better term, I would have been dumb for it. Because I probably wouldn't have received that value for my Sporty if I would have kept it a year or 2 years from now. I kind of ended up just getting what I paid, what I initially paid for it coming out of the dealership. So, you know, I can't complain on that. But yeah, man, it's my new baby. It's my new baby. Of course, I'm gonna be doing upgrades to it. First thing I think I'm gonna do is either slip-ons, because they don't have a tuner yet, so I can't do full exhaust. Either I'm gonna do slip-ons or the risers and wait for a tuner to come out and do a full exhaust. I kind of like the tuning myself, go power vision and auto tune and all that. But either slip-ons or risers. I was gonna do, you know, new fairing and all that, but I don't know. Like I said, man, this color's really nice in the sun, and with them color matching that fairing, it kind of makes it hard for me to take that thing off, because this color really pops in the sun. That flake and stuff looks really good in the sun. That's pretty much, you know, that's pretty much it as far as like updating you guys on the new bike and stuff like that. And I will keep posting and, you know, updating you on any mods and stuff that I do. So stick around for the channel. I'm thinking about taking a ride to the Harley Davidson Museum down in Milwaukee, up in Milwaukee, because I'm south of Milwaukee with a couple buddies. So I'll probably motovlog that trip. I'm just waiting on the weather to correspond a little bit better. It was actually snowing this morning. It snowed for a little bit, and then it's 45 degrees now, and we're supposed to be in the mid 60s next week. So we're kind of just waiting for the weather to decide what it's finally gonna do. Other than that, stick around. I got a new bike. I'm excited about the new bike. Join me on this trip. Peace.